To begin with, we studied the current traffic situation on your website. Your idea of naming your site similar to the search query, 5-star plumber, is quite successful. Now, with our keywords that are directly related to your website, we will analyze the search engine to find competitors and further analyze their traffic. Once we have collected the competitors, we move on to analyzing their traffic. It is crucial to separate organic traffic from their total traffic. After collecting the data, we proceed to traffic forecasting and see that with an investment in SEO, you can achieve more than 11,000 unique visitors.